my channel! So today we're going to be going over my luxurious nighttime skincare routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, now let's get to the video. So to begin, we're going to be going over medical grade skincare, so it's a little bit more expensive than the stuff that you're going to find at like Sephora and things like that. We're going to do kind of like a little skin check-in too, so you guys can see like what I'm doing with my skin, how my skin is, no makeup on, and the products that I'm using. Alright, so let's start with cleansing. I went ahead and used a Simply Clean. This is the Skinceuticals. Just a nice little exfoliating cleanser. It has light acid, kind of helps just with exfoliation. This stuff is 35 bucks, so I'm not gonna purchase this stuff again. I really love the Glycolic Renew cleanser from them, but it has been out of stock at my Bluemercury for too long, people, my goodness. So when I'm out of that, I'm gonna switch back to the stuff that I like. So I've already washed my face, so let's kind of go in and see what we're dealing with here. Dun dun dun. Okay, so this is my skin with no makeup on. As you can see, I still have acne scars here. I am in California, so we are back to wearing a mask. So my face is showing the repercussions of that. So we got a little bit over here and a little bit of redness. I have freckles. I'm naturally fair skin and blonde, so that is a little bit more about my complexion. So let me zoom. Not so close to my face, still close though. First product is gonna be that Skinceuticals Retinol. Now, this is the 1.0, it's the maximum strength that you can buy. I've had this for a year, it's $88. Fantastic, has lasted me the entire year. So with this, you're just going to use a pea size amount. Head looks like that. It kind of comes out naturally, or like on its own. I'm almost out of it too. Literally that much. Okay. I have a whole video like explaining all this stuff. I'll link it above. Touch your index fingers together. Then we're just going to spot. I do here, my cheeks, and my forehead. That's it. Rub my chin in first. Cheeks, the nose, and my forehead last. So that is step number 1. You're gonna think that you need more. Don't do it. Start small, and if you know, after 3 days you're not having a reaction, you can add a little bit more, but start small, okay? Little goes a long way. The next product we're gonna use is going to be the AGE Eye Complex. Again, I have a video of this up above. I'll link it up above and maybe down in the description. This is really good if you have like dark circles and your eyes are super dry. So I'm just gonna go right on in with this. This stuff is about $100. I waited till they had a sale before I purchased it. And I'll put a little bit on my eyelids too. So there is that stuff. Again, that's the AGE Skinceuticals Eye Complex Cream. So the next step is going to be that Phyto Plus Gel. This is something that I use during the daytime as well. It's a great botanical, helps with redness and to kind of soothe the skin. Also helps a little bit of hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna put a couple drops on top of my retinol. It is okay to use with retinol because it's not technically a vitamin C. It looks like a science experiment. Can't see shit, that's okay. Rub it in your hands and we'll kind of just pat it in. Now for the moisturizer, I am not necessarily a fan of the triple lipid from Skinceuticals because it's $130 for a tub of it, and I go deep in to moisturizer. Harden the paint for the moisturizer, and I can't afford $130 a month on moisturizer, so cut that from the bill. What I've been loving, which is not necessarily like luxurious, maybe considered, Naturium Multi-Peptide, phenomenal. Little head, you can just, oh shit, bink, bink. Squirt it out right there, fantastic. This is 20 bucks from Target, usually on sale, love it. So I use that peptide cream instead of the other one, just because it's a moisturizer, you know what I mean? I'd rather spend more money on like my acids and things like that. All right, putting that on the face. So the next step that I'm gonna do is I'm going to just bring down a little bit of my skincare down on my neck. I'm not gonna use the retinol on my neck right now because I haven't used it on my neck ever. So I don't wanna cause like an irritation, because especially that's a 1.0 strength, it's very strong. So I actually purchased this as well. This is the Sea Buckthorn Best Skin Ever. You've probably seen this on Skin Noi on Instagram. She is awesome. Love this stuff. The smell, incredible. So I purchased this at like it's called Shop Good. I'll link it down below. It's basically like a skincare store that is, they have a lot of vegan and organic options. It's a very neat store just to like get a gift from or get someone a gift card to. Ooh, fuzz. So I enjoyed it. So I bought that stuff. It's a great oil. It's a cleanser as well. Beautiful glass bottle. I bought some for my dad because he loves this stuff. And it's got a great smell to it. It's like 60 bucks for that bottle, which is actually pretty good. I'm gonna take a little bit more oil, rub my hands in it, and just do a light press into the skin after. And my last and final step for my lips, I just put a little bit of Aquaphor on. That's not very luxurious, but this is very cost effective. It's like 10 bucks for that whole thing. I've had it for years. All right, so that is going to be my final luxurious nighttime skincare routine. And I'm just gonna go zoom in very close to my face one more time. So you can see nice moisturize, or everything is moisturized. Little bit of shine, not too much, because I do kind of like sweat at nighttime. But yeah, the retinol's been fantastic for my acne, especially with the masks coming back here in California. So I'm gonna continue that. Not picking at anything, trying not to. But yeah, that is my kind of simple, luxurious nighttime routine. All those products have lasted me a really long time, so it is more of an investment for your skincare. Out of all the Skinceuticals products, if you are looking to just kind of, you know, one step at a time, retinol, vitamin C, sunscreen, that's all you need. Cleanser, you can go very basic. There's a great one from Equate at Walmart. Eye cream, not really necessary, but you can do it. Another great one from like Olay, great brand, still good. And then for sunscreen, what I'm loving lately, I have a video on this as well. Kinship, you can get it at Ulta. It's a mineral sunscreen, titanium dioxide, I think this one's zinc oxide. Has a little bit of a reflection. Beautiful, look for it at the Ulta skincare days. They just had it a couple days ago, but look for it for next time. And those are just some great products that I'm loving right now on top of my luxurious skincare routine. So thank you so much for making it all the way down, all the way to the end of the video. And please make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.